Welcome to our Circular Saw 101 series. Part 1, Saw Blade Change featuring Anastasia. It's her first time doing that. Safety comes first. So remove the battery. Furthermore, read and understand the manual before changing any blades. Let's check some of the key components. Any modern circular saw should have a stored Allen key somewhere. The blade lock button for locking the blade while loosening and tightening. The blade clamping screw. It's where the Allen key sees its action. Simply follow the arrows for loosening and tightening the bad boy. It's about time to depress the blade lock button, and your clamping screw gets loosey-goosey. Let's pretend it's a brand new blade. You check for the orientation in order to complete a proper installation. At this point, you do the steps in reverse. Good times. Slap that Allen key back in place and you are ready to roll.